If you want to change the template in LibreOffice Impress, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to apply a new template to either a brand new presentation or an existing one, so you can give your slides a fresh, professional look in just a few clicks. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, you'll see the Start Center. From here, you can either create a new Impress presentation from the left side under Create, or you can open an existing presentation if you already have one you want to update. If you're working on a current file, just open it like normal so you can change the template without starting over. Now that your presentation is open, look at the top menu bar and click Slide. This is where LibreOffice keeps a lot of the presentation design options, including master slides and template settings. After you click Slide, move down to Master Slide and then choose Select Master Slide. This will open the template selection area where you can browse different styles for your presentation. Next, take a look at the right sidebar. You should now see a list of available templates or master slides. These are the design layouts you can apply to your presentation. Scroll through the options and click on any template that fits the style you want. As soon as you click one, LibreOffice Impress will apply that design to your slides. This is the key step because the selected template will update the overall look of your presentation. That can include backgrounds, colors, fonts, and the general layout style, which is a great way to make your slides look cleaner and more consistent. If the first template doesn't look quite right, just click a different one until you find the one that works best for your content. If you're starting a new presentation, this is a smart way to begin with a strong visual theme before you add your text, images, and charts. If you're editing an existing presentation, changing the template can instantly refresh the appearance without you needing to redesign every slide manually. That makes it a huge time saver, especially if you want a more polished result fast. Once you've chosen your template, take a quick look through a few slides to make sure everything looks good. Sometimes certain templates work better with specific content, so it's always worth checking how your title slide, body slides, and any image-heavy slides appear after the change. If needed, you can always go back and select a different master slide. And that's it. You've now changed the template in LibreOffice Impress. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference in how professional your presentation looks. If this tutorial helped, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy software guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.